Welcome to another trade of the day here, Trader TV Live. We've got Chemocentryx here. Now, these guys had an FDA approval a couple of days ago, and you're going to get a monster move to the upside. I mean, this chart here, the 15 minutes, not even going to do it total justice, but we're now talking about day 3, and you're going to see a bit of a top forming here. So you get the strong move going into the range yesterday. It actually broke this 41 high, and we'll check back in on that in a second. But here's your 42.16 top. If you're watching our afternoon show, you know that we're shorting off this level, the whole lower high here, with some success. And then guess what? You come in today, and you're going to get a retest this level. It's a simple high, a 42.16. Forget about 42 even. And then looking at that lower high at 41. Fast forward to this morning, you do get a pop at the open, completely sitting this out. The only thing I was interested in is testing that high. Good for a breakout. There was actually room, if you look at the gap on the daily chart, to about $45. So there was room if it had gone, but it couldn't go. So we're shorting off of that 42 level. It first fails here. We're able to scalp some out at that 41 level that we talked about on the 15-minute chart, the lower high. So we're taking some out there. We retest at the high. We get some more shares in. Now here's where I think I tripped up a little bit, because I could have allowed this to drag a little bit lower down, maybe past that 40 into that consolidation. I don't do it. Get out too early of some of my shares, and then suddenly when the move has gone against me here, so gone for me here, I suddenly need to get more shares, and I don't think it's going back up to 42. This is where I have to, on the fly, sort of adjust the plan, right? We're below VWAP here. We have that 41 lower high from before, and that's all I have to work off of. So I go right back to the well on the 15-minute chart and say, okay, I'm going to now short some more shares in front of 41, scalp some out inside the range like we did before, and then hold. Now, it's absolutely tanked, and I thought this was going to be the full capitulation for the day when we bounced off that 37.5. I put a trail in saying, if it breaks this, maybe it'll come down another dollar or so, but I trailed out of it at 37.5. It even just over 38. It actually defied my expectations here, because if you look how far this has gone, it's actually broken through some wicks of support at that 37, which I thought might have held up. It just goes to show there's no such thing as a perfect trade, right? You always can do better. And certainly what I could have done here is caught some of the rollover. There was even another breakdown in this range here if we're looking at that 38.5. Lots of things that could have gone better here. But hey, a big winning trade is a big winning trade at the end of the day. And it's all about using those levels that you have in front of you. How did you guys do trading Ccxi? Was it your best stock? Was it something else? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, tune in the morning, lunchtime, and at Power Hour for Trader TV Live. See you in the markets.